Hi, welcome back to Toys Are Fun to Play. Today we have another video of our Christmas tint. We're gonna be doing this for the month of December. Sleigh bells ringing. So our first video was a girls video. Our second video was a boys video, and this one is a girls video again. So let's see what we have today. So we got Care Bear Scented Pastel Figures Series 6. We get a tsum Series 7 Mystery Pack. We get another My Little Pony Fashion Series 7. We get another Care Bear Scented Pastel Figures Series 6. And we have another Care Bear Scented Pastel Figure 6. And like I said, I want Rainbow Heart Bear, and he smells like strawberry. They sent it last. So let's start with this one. So we get Tender Heart Bear, and he's supposed to smell like orange, and he does smell like orange. Let's open tsum mystery pack. And before I even look, I want Abu or Pinocchio. Yes, those are the two I want. So let's see what we have. And we actually had Abu he's from Aladdin. He's a little monkey. Okay, let me build it for you. So this is what it comes with. Looks like a monkey, a gorilla with a diamond, and the background looks like a heart shape. And this is Abu, cute little monkey with his little hat. So we're gonna place him right here. Hopefully he doesn't fall right there. So now we're gonna open another Care Bear Scented Pastel Figures Series 6. We got a duplicate on this one, and we have Tender Heart Bear. Smells like orange. Yes, it does smell like orange, so we're gonna put them right there. This is looking really nice. So let me open our last Care Bear Scented Pastel Figures Series 6, and hopefully we don't get another Tender Heart Bear. So we get Wish Bear, and he smells like blueberry, and he does smell like blueberry. It smells so good. It has a little star, but it looks like a shooting star. And he's kind of like a turquoise color. So we're gonna put him right here. And last but not least, we're gonna open My Little Pony movie Fashion Series 7. And last time we opened one of these and we had Applejack. Hopefully we don't get a duplicate. Let me just not jinx it, and let's open it. Okay, that looks really nice. And we get Twilight. And Twilight is looking like a little fish mermaid. She has a little star right here. And she comes with a display, so we can put her in there. And there you go. And she's a little bit heavier on the front side. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment down below which one is your favorite one from today and what type of videos you would like to see in the future. And like always, thanks for watching.